check this shit out. It's fucking hilarious, dude. You know, when you see this guy right here, man, fucking, it's not I Dream of Jeannie anymore, you know. It's I Dream of Wendy's. I Dream of Wendy's. You get what I mean? And fuck Lucy, okay? It's not I Love Lucy. You know what it is, man? I love BK.
Make her write on Geller.
No money for summer.
Or Callan. Oh, you're supposed to make her write on Callan.
Oh my god, this is so cute.
You're rich.
That must be Jing.
You're rich.
More than I've ever seen.
What? Okay. Here, you get that?
I'll tell you, I already know automatically.
And she gets that. Okay, open it, girl.
Yep, I'll tell you. 40 from unknown.
Here, I'll tell you what. You open that one, you open that one. Oh!
I'm okay.
Then you got your secretaries helping you, right? That's hella cool. Oh man, she's get the skivvies.
What the?
Oh, tank top. Oh, that's hella good. Oh man. Are you? Come on, man, go. They want to watch a movie. Oh, here, you hold the card. Let me have the money. Come on, bro.
He's rich.
He's so rich.
That's a 20.
Everybody's got a price. Everybody's gonna pay.
Oh, dude, pretty good. Oh,
Cause the $1 Million Man always gets his way.
dang, man.
I don't know if it's
Hey, don't you owe me 50?
I don't think so. Cool, SummerSlam.
Say, there you go, SummerSlam. Oh,
laughing at? What are you laughing at?
that's gonna make it.
Hey, you look like you just got arrested and you're spending time in juvenile hall.
I don't know, I don't know if you could make it a pay somehow.
She's too young for juvenile hall, not old enough for prison.
Maybe she's trying to be funny. Okay, put the stuff in.